Hello everybody, I'm Lavina, I'm CA final student, and this video is all about how to deal with exam fear, stress, anxiety, because I know exams are approaching, 1 month to go, and we are all here anxious basically. So there are some of my tips how I handled all the 8 papers, because every time we feel is that मे बी ये पेपर टफ आया, अगला कैसा आएगा, पास होंगे कि नहीं, इसमें ही लटक गए तो अगला पढ़ के क्या करेंगे. सो we have to do something about it, because if you can't write on paper and you have studied a lot, it won't matter. So there are some of my tips that I did while I was giving my continuous papers, and for me attempt I have really a little bit more sympathy, because what happens is BCom के exam overlap कर जाती है CA के exam से, but no matter what we have to still do it. So first step is change the story. Whatever you are telling to yourself, change it, because maybe you are telling to yourself कि बहुत कम लोग CA में पास होते हैं, maybe you are telling yourself कि सिर्फ 1% पास होते हैं, पेपर ICA टफ बनाता है. So maybe you are constantly taking this thoughts in and you are believing in it. So kindly don't tell this stuff to yourself. What you need to tell is कि CA में लोग पास होते हैं and you can pass. चाहे कितने भी कम लोग पास हुए हैं ना, still ICA पास करता है. There are so many CAs. And of course you can do it, and I have talked to many of people, but at the end of the day what I have got is कि आपको खुद को मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा. You have to tell yourself you can do it, because you are only stuck in this, so only you can help yourself. दूसरा कितनी बार ही बोल लेगा आपको. So let me tell you a story. So one of the best inspiring story that I have heard is of CA Shelly Chaudhary, and she actually took multiple attempts in CA intermediate IPCC, and then when she came in CA final, she had only 6 months to prepare for it. She still attempted the paper, and she knew that नहीं हो पाएगा, ढंग से practice नहीं हुई थी. Then she continued practice, she didn't wait for results, and then in second attempt of CA final she was AIR 1 for May 15 CA final. So it is not like that कि जिनको attempt लगे होते हैं वो AIR नहीं ला सकते या पास नहीं हो सकते, because there are many people जिन्हें attempt लगे हैं and then they are CA. So it's just a misconception. आप सही करो. एंड द सेकेंड टिप इज़ काउंट योर स्ट्रेंथ्स. जो भी छोटी छोटी आपने अचीवमेंट की है, एनी थिंग दैट यू कैन डू बेटर फ्रॉम एनी वन, एंड यू नो दैट, क्योंकि कोई भी इंसान ऐसा तो होता नहीं है जिसे कोई भी चीज़ नहीं आती हो. ऑब्वियसली यू हैव समथिंग दैट नो वन हैज़, एंड यू do many great things that you don't even realize. So take into the account and tell yourself what have you done, and you can tell yourself that you can do this also, because बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ना आप कर चुके हो and you have come so far that you don't even realize. You don't even take it into account that you have just come so far. You have worked so hard, you have overcome like many of the things that I don't know but you know. So you can tell yourself that this is the thing that I have done, and there are many more things that I know you can do so much more. So please don't let yourself down, don't be harsh on yourself and work on yourself. And the third thing is please let go of control. क्योंकि आपके हाथ में जो कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है and you try to control it, you release so much of energy and then you feel tired, because it's bound to happen. Because when you overthink about certain things that you can never control, like if paper will be tough or not, sorry, it's not in your hands. अगर कॉपी चेक करके अच्छा हुई उसने मेरे मार्क्स ज़्यादा काट लिए तो is that in your hand? No. What you have is now. What you can do is just study now and expect for the best and leave it on the God. And if you have like so much issues with anxiety, stress, you can use any of the guided meditation that feels good to you. There are so many available, and you can also use positive affirmations. And when you are outside of the exam hall and you feel like so much tension, stress, kindly Breathe in, breathe out, release all the tension, calm yourself down, and remember that if you don't give your best in these 3 hours now, you will have to pay the cost with 6 months more. And that comes with so much pressure, anxiety, stress, and whatnot. One another self doubt. You can't hear it. These we have to just calm yourself and give your best because we have no other chance. Because the pain is actually so much more of that 6 months starting once again, going through every chapter that you already did once again is painful. So why do you do it now? And a brief reminder, what you have to study is from ICI module, MTP RTP referencer for quick revision capsule, PYQs, and uh, I know I'm sometimes a bit rude, harsh, but I actually want you all to pass, and there is like no substitute for studying, and we have to do it. We have to give paper calmly because we have to give our best and obviously pass the exams. And I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and please study.